We're still working on our video, how to make a video series. So we're making these videos, or I'm making these videos with no lighting, no microphones, no learning process, no planning. This is just kind of like a learn as you go kind of thing, right? So there's a couple of things about making your own videos. Make sure you're in an area that's got a fair bit of lighting coming in so people can see you. Look into the camera when you're talking. And then try to be relaxed because, you know, you're talking to the world. And just kind of like introduce yourself and tell everyone who you are. You know, my name is Brent. I'm a 76-year-old senior. I live in Canada. And I'm kind of retired. And this channel I made is about seniors making extra income online. Because up here in Canada, there's two kinds of seniors. There's the rich ones, and there's the other ones. So when you're the other ones, you got to figure out how to make some extra income. So that's what this channel is all about. So in our video making, I've never learned how to make a video before. This is a learn as you go process. So when you're making your video, you take your camera and you put it in a position, lean it on a book or something, and open up the reverse button to make sure you're centered good. And so, you know, if the light's not too bad, you can kind of see. And then pick up your camera, click it on, turn off, first of all, the self-imagery, and then click on record, and turn your camera horizontal. Because if you try and film with the camera vertical, it's going to come out a vertical video. And you don't want that. You want a nice horizontal video. So this is my first horizontal video I've made for YouTube. So I'm a bit nervous or whatever, but let me know if this thing's turning out okay. So once you get your video, then what you got to do is you got to upload it to your YouTube channel. And it's so easy to do. You just, when you finish recording, turn off your video, and then just click upload, and it'll upload it right to your YouTube channel. And then now you're live on YouTube. Now, if you want to edit your video, but you don't have a clue how to do it, there's a program called CapCut.com, and it's free, and it's super easy to use. Anyone can use it. Even I learned how to use it, and I'm a dum-dum. So you can go on there after you uploaded your video, then you just download your video to your files, then open up your free CapCut account, and then just click on AI or new video, create, and just load your file up. New project, click the file, and your video will load right up to it. And then you can just shorten it, chop it, add text, do whatever you want, upload it, and put it right on your YouTube channel. Okay, I hope you found this interesting. We finally figured out how to make a video, so watch out for the next video. I don't know what we're going to be talking about. Okay, bye for now.